how to share Google Classroom link. In this video, I'll show you how to share Google Classroom link. So to get started, go ahead and open Google Classroom into your browser or device and then sign in to your Google Classroom account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over into that specific Google Classroom where you want to share a link. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the People tab and then click on this Invite Students button at the right side of Students. And then you'll be able to find this invite link, which you can share to any student that you have. Now, if you want to add a teacher on your classroom, you can click on this Invite Teachers button at the right side of Teachers, and then go ahead and enter their email in here. So there is no link that you can get, but you can get a link if you want to add students in here. So that is how you can basically invite students and share your Google Classroom link with them. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.